Kombucha is an old traditional health drink, which is a fermentation of tea, black or green. It is also known as tea mushroom, tea fungus, and more poetically champagne of life. Kombucha has been used for over 2,000 years and it is often praised for its medicinal properties and health benefits. It refreshes your mind and cleanses your body. Kombucha helps restore your body's pH balance and promote self-healing. There's are claims that it is very good for your skin, beneficial for hair growth and can even treat cancer and HIV. However, there's no real scientific evidence for that. Many people like it for its sweetened taste and drink it regularly. Kombucha makes you feel refreshed and energetic. It increases your body's overall immunity. It has antibacterial and antiseptic qualities, helps fight microbes and harmful bacteria, due to acetic acid contained in it. Kombucha promotes hair growth. This drink is very beneficial for your skin. It is good for your liver, because of antioxidant properties. Kombucha can help you reduce weight, especially if it's prepared with the use of green tea. It has anti-inflammatory properties and helps to soothe pain. The beverage helps keep your joints healthy. It reduces the risk of heart disease. Kombucha may reduce the risk of cancer. It prevents type 2 diabetes and is helpful to manage it if you have one. Kombucha helps normalize high blood pressure. It restores pH balance of your body and promotes rejuvenation. Since it contains probiotics, it improves your digestion, fights diarrhea, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and other gastrointestinal disorders. The short answer will be that people simply like the taste of it. They say, the taste is so original, fresh and natural that those who love it don't even go for any other drink. Kombucha is also very healthy, because of its probiotic nature. Kombucha people are absolutely confident that they are drinking the healthiest thing in the world. Well, it's almost impossible to describe the taste of something one has never tried. How will you describe the taste of sugar to the person who has never taken it? We can only use the language of association and comparison. In this case, kombucha has a slightly biting taste with a strong flavor similar to an apple cider vinegar. Some people love the taste, others think it's terrible. You should definitely try and decide for yourself. Kombucha is a real hit or miss. The answer is yes. This amazing beverage has so many health benefits and virtually no side effects, so you can take it whenever you want and as much as you want. Depending on your body, you will possibly want to take it slow in the beginning and simply enjoy your kombucha on a daily basis further on. You can take it in the morning to boost your energy levels. You can have it throughout the day to satisfy your thirst or to take it with your meals. Some people even report having much better sleep whenever they drink kombucha at night time. Many athletes are used to have some kombucha before their workout to improve their performance. Others prefer to drink it after the job is done to flush out toxins and reduce inflammation and tensions accumulated during workout. So it's basically up to you. Most definitely yes. Apart from vitalizing and antioxidizing effects, kombucha contains several varieties of vitamin B, which are indispensable for producing new healthy hair. Whether you have hair loss, thinning hair or receding hairline, try kombucha and you will surely notice the difference in a while. If you use this beverage not as a beverage but for the purpose of washing or rinsing your hair, you will be successfully removing the adverse residue of artificial hair care products, almost like a natural vinegar. However, kombucha is more gentle on your hair than vinegar, although it is still very effective. Some apply kombucha as a hair tonic every time after shampoo. It is very useful for removing dandruff. Use it regularly for best results. For most healthy adults, kombucha is absolutely safe and side effects are extremely rare. Drinking much of kombucha tea can make your stomach slightly upset, which goes away once you discontinue it. Usually this problem doesn't even occur if you start with a small dosage of kombucha and gradually increase it day by day. However, if contaminated, this beverage can lead to allergy, jaundice, yellow skin, yeast infection, and nausea. To avoid that, you should always check the quality of the product that you drink or follow hygienic recommendations if you prepare kombucha on your own. The process of metabolism and fermentation of kombucha usually produces some amount of alcohol, which is about 0.5%. This amount is too small to make you drunk anyway. It is 10 times less strong than a normal beer. Theoretically, you will have to drink really a lot of it just to feel slightly tipsy. With such a large amount of water, most alcohol will simply bypass the bloodstream. Besides, kombucha also contains caffeine, which in its turn will counteract the feeling of being drunk. Practically, you will never want to drink that much of any liquid, since it can cause other sorts of problems. Many kombucha lovers report that, yes, it can reverse graying hair and restore it. You can rinse your hair with kombucha tea, use it as a tonic or apply it in the form of hair mask, whatever suits you best. Don't be afraid to experiment, it's absolutely harmless, and the results will definitely follow. Apart from being an excellent detoxifier, it also nourishes and hydrates your skin, increases its elasticity and brightness. Some beauty specialists say that with kombucha you will literally glow, your skin tone and texture will noticeably improve. Even if you have wrinkles, kombucha may help reduce or remove them as well. Remember, this is not without a reason that it's called elixir of youth. No wonder, over the last few years, kombucha has been more and more often added to a variety of popular skincare products. Because black or green tea is used to make kombucha, it will most certainly contain caffeine. However, properly prepared kombucha tea will have only a small amount of it. Averagely, it is about 3 times less the amount contained in normal tea that is prepared from. For example, if tea with, say, 50 mg of caffeine is used, you will get kombucha that will be around 15 to 20 mg of caffeine. Kombucha based on green tea will have even less, around 2 mg. Generally speaking, the quality and properties of the drink will differ in accordance with a huge variety of recipes and methods of preparation. In other words, you can control the amount of caffeine in your kombucha through different choices and methods up to the point that you can get even a decaffeinated version. You should know that the process used to make this drink also results in some amount of alcohol in it, which is around 0.5%, but sometimes it may exceed this number. Although, this is a very tiny percentage, almost negligible, it is generally believed that no amount of alcohol is good for pregnancy and growing fetus. So it's best to avoid drinking kombucha tea while you are expecting a baby. It's not a secret that people tend to overdo things, and, as you know, too much of anything is never good for you. Especially when we talk about eating or drinking habits. However, it's almost impossible to drink too much kombucha tea, just as it's extremely hard and unjustified to drink too much of water. Your body will simply tell you to stop. Nevertheless, if you are really interested in what may happen, please refer to side effects section of this FAQ.